In this lecture, we will install and set up C on Windows machine. By the end of this lecture, you should be ready with everything needed to perform hands-on programming. In order to get started with C programming on your computer, you will need C compiler for compiling the code and C IDE for writing the code. In layman's language, compiling the code is a process wherein C compiler will go through your code and validate it for any errors. If everything goes well, it will create an executable file for you to run the program. In this course, we will install GNU compiler collection. This compiler collection provides us with list of different compilers and C is one of them. As a part of C IDE, we will install Codeblocks, which will be used for writing the code. Let's get started. In order to install GNU-CC, visit www.mingw.org. I have added the links in resource section of this lecture. Once the page is loaded, locate the downloads link and click on it. Under operating system Windows, you should see a link for setup.exe. Click on it. On clicking, you should be navigated to another page and download should start automatically. If it doesn't start, click on this link and download the setup. Once the setup is downloaded, double click on the exe file. You should see Installation Manager Setup tool pop up. Click on Install button. On this screen, leave all the option as it is and click on Continue. Setup tool will start downloading Installation Manager. It will take a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed. Once done, click on the Continue button. You should now see Installation Manager window. In order to install C compiler, click on Basic Setup. Locate the option G++ bin under Package column. Click the checkbox and select Mark for installation. Click on Installation from top menu and click on Apply Changes. Click on Apply button. The Installation Manager will start downloading additional packages. I will fast forward this video in order to save some time. Once this is completed, click on Close button. You should see the checkbox marked in green, which means C compiler installation is completed. You may now close this Installation Manager. Now that we are done installing C compiler, let's install Codeblocks now. In order to install Codeblocks, visit www.codeblocks.org. Click on the downloads from the top menu. It will load downloads page. Locate the link named Download the binary release and click on it. We want to download setup.exe. There are two options to download from, FossHub and sourceforge.net. You can click on any of these two links. I will click on sourceforge.net and download the exe file. Once downloaded, double click on setup.exe. Click next on installation window and proceed as instructed on the license agreement window. It will ask you to choose components. Leave the default option selected and click on next. Select the destination folder and click on install. It will start with the installation process. Once completed, it will prompt if you want to run Codeblock. Click on yes. This will open Codeblocks IDE. One last thing that needs to be done is click on Settings and then Compiler. On Compiler setting window, click on Toolchain Executables. Make sure compiler's installation directory is set to compiler bin folder. By default, it should be this location. This is where I installed the GNU-CC compiler on my machine. If you install your compiler collection at some other location, please enter the path accordingly. Once this is done, click on OK. We are now done with installation of all the softwares needed to run C program.